So it's a thing of joy to see that one of our old battery kit that we installed for this farm, that is over 4 years plus, is intact. This is one of the new ones we are currently installing, and we are sure this equipment is going to last very long. This is one of the advantages that you get when you buy your equipment from a reliable company like Decorate Farms and Equipment Company. You can be rest assured. Our cages, you really buy it once, you're not coming back twice. And this is the advantage of buying equipment from a reliable company. Installation here. And then for those of you who doesn't know the MD of Decorate Farms and Equipment Company, so for your farm setup, you can call us on 070 60 92 03 79. Mo bí rìn mi ṣe máa ṣe kékeré ni, but